Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes that will make your kitchen adventures a breeze. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of gingerbread cookies, perfect for the holiday season or any time you want to bring a little warmth into your home. Now, let's get right into it. Here's what you'll need. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, a pinch of salt, 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of molasses. Simple, right? First, we'll whisk together our dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda, spices, and salt. In another bowl, cream the softened butter and brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, add in the egg and molasses, mixing until well combined. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, stirring until a dough forms. Once your dough is ready, wrap it in plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for about an hour. This helps the flavors meld together beautifully. After chilling, roll it out on a floured surface, cut out your favorite shapes, and place them on a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, and voila! You'll have delicious, aromatic gingerbread cookies that will fill your home with the scent of the holidays. I hope you enjoy making these as much as I do. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe for more fun recipes. Happy baking!